Hey, it's Christina from Proven Winners ColorChoice Shrubs, and today I wanted to show you our office gardens again. I know that we saw them in late spring, maybe early summer, but there are so many plants that are looking stunning right now in the late summertime. And this is kind of a funky time for the garden. It's late summer, so a lot of things are past their prime, but it's not quite fall yet either, so we're not getting those fall beauties. So I wanted to show you what's still looking good in our gardens to give you a little bit of inspiration. And to start is this amazing Panicle Hydrangea right by our entryway. This is Zinfin Doll. Well, it's a couple of them planted together. And it's just a great example of a nice mid to large size hydrangea. And it's getting that beautiful fall color. Right in front of it is a Pugster Amethyst butterfly bush. It is still so loaded with flowers and with buds. A fantastic option for extending that summer season. And this is the group of Let's Dance Can Do hydrangeas that there was a video of Stacy Hervella talking about earlier this year. They are still blooming. If you remember, she did a video in June and then again in August, and here we are mid-September. They are crushing it. And I'm also out with our videographer Adriana. We've got to capture this beauty.
It looks so good.
And if you're wondering if this beauty will fit in your garden, check out the caption for all of the details on this plant and other ones that I'm going to mention in the video. I just wanted to spend this video looking at all of this beauty. Perhaps you noticed this bright chartreuse little evergreen. This is Anna's Magic Ball Thuya, or common name Arborvitae, and they are fantastic at bringing color into the garden no matter the time of the season. You don't have to rely on flowers. They just bring their own sunshine. And when it comes to talking about bright, beautiful foliage, you've got to bring up double play candy corn Spirea. This plant is so dynamic. I remember seeing it this spring, snapping a picture, and then everyone asking, what the heck is that? That's so beautiful. So it has amazing new growth. It's similar to this, but a little bit more fiery. And then in the summertime, it has bright pink flowers. And here in fall, it's got amazing new growth again. And for a rose that is still blooming and setting buds like crazy, Oso Easy Double Red. There are tons of flowers to keep enjoying and plenty more buds where these came from, so that you can get a nice rose show late into this to the summer and maybe even into early fall. We have got to talk about Steady Eddie Double File Viburnum. This is a fantastic plant for gardeners who have given up on hydrangeas. This is one of the most reliable blooming plants I have come across. We saw it blooming in the springtime, again in the middle of the summer, and here it is still kicking out blooms. This is just an insane plant. I just happened upon this lovely combination of foliage and spent flowers. So this is Gatsby Oakley hydrangea, and its flowers have settled into the fall look here with that papery color and feeling. And then we've got our Winecraft Black Smoke Bush in the back, and all together, this is a very moody garden, kind of Halloween-y. Another fantastic example of Oso Easy Double Red crushing it. It's still looking lovely this late summer day. And of course, a big healthy limelight. Let's stop by this beautiful trio of firelight tidbits. This is a tiny little Panicle Hydrangea. It only gets 2 to 3 feet tall and wide. So right here, it's at its mature height and width. And this Panicle Hydrangea is fantastic for expanding the hydrangea season. So it blooms at the very end of the Pinnacle Hydrangea window, along with Limelight and Limelight Prime. And you'll find that if you plant a Quickfire Fab, which is the earliest blooming Panicle we have, that you'll get the most out of your Panicle season. And that is it for the day. Thanks so much for coming along with me on this week's walk, and thanks for bearing with me through all of that wind. If you have any questions about anything we saw today, ask in the comments below, and I'll see you again next week.